What's up, everybody? How y'all been? Up in Saginaw, Michigan this morning unloading. I've been busy working all winter long. Had grain finally petered out about the end of January. I switched back over to flatbed and been doing flatbed stuff for about a month now. Haven't had time to get many videos done or anything just because it's hard to do anything. All I have is my driveway to work in, and it's cold. It's awful dang cold. Even right now, it's nice and sunny this morning, but it's like 25 degrees out. So it kind of sucks to stand out here and make this video right now, actually. So yeah, other than that, it's just been trying to maintain the thing and keep it on the road all the time. So I've been doing whatever maintenance I can, but really haven't been doing any improvements to the truck, other than I put dual exhausts on it over New Year's. I had some time off between Christmas and New Year's, so I put dual exhausts on it. There's that. Here, I'll drop a little montage of what filming I did do while I was putting that on, but it was kind of hard to do it because the battery in the camera kept dying because it was like 10 degrees in the shop the whole time I was working on it over at my mom and dad's place, because they got a shop that I can actually get the thing indoors and work on. didn't really do anything special with it. It just has regular 5-inch mufflers on it. I didn't want to go crazy. Bought 2 heat shields for Peterbilt out of a salvage yard. I think they're both actually driver's side heat shields because the trucks were both laid over on the passenger side. But either way, they work, they look good, make the exhaust look a whole lot better than that rusty muffler had. I think it sounds a little bit better too. I didn't really want to go noisy, loud, crazy with it. I just wanted it to look a little bit more uniform on the back of the truck. See them snazzy Peterbilt heat shields? I wanted Peterbilts because they got the vertical slots. I just think they look a lot cooler. Kenworths have the circles, Freightliners got slots, but they go in this direction. I always thought the Peterbilts looked better with the slots going up and down like that. So kind of hard to see the mount I fabricated, but had these channels built, or bent up I should say, at local steel shop, and then welded it all together. Only problem with this setup is all my electrical and air lines for the trailer are right behind the muffler now, so that's a tight fit. I had to put this 90 in right there. I got some junk to clean off the trailer here. Yeah. Oh, you carry your broom. Put that back away. Oh, I made it home for the week. Done working for the week. Only have Sunday off. Been working 6 days a week lately, so I mean it's good. I'm making money, but I ain't getting much time for repairs and whatnot in. And when you run a 30-year-old truck every single day, you're gonna need time to repair it because things wear out constantly. So, case in point, we got the all-weather creeper out here, handy dandy in the snow. Was nice shot of the other side of the cab, so you see what that looks like. My new exhaust pipe here, that rusted already. Not terribly impressed with that. Anyway, got done well a couple weeks ago I shouldn't say, 2 weeks ago, I was coming through Flint, big old chunk of asphalt come up off the road. This here is the kind of the brace. There was a valve here. There was a valve in the tank on the other side there, and the chunk of asphalt actually blew that valve right off. Lost about 30 gallons of diesel fuel. I was able to get this tank shut off and stop from draining all my fuel out. Thankfully, this is the tank everything draws from, so I was able to keep going. But when it did that, I don't know if you can see up there, that mount, it blew the bottom of that mount off. So it's supposed to look like this fuel tank mount, but it blew that whole side off of it. Anyway, checking up on things today, and now this tank's dripping. This strap here, the fuel tank strap, she was loose, it was rusted. Worked her back and forth, put some heat on it, put some penetrating oil on it, got it to budge, tightened her up, but somewhere in here under that fuel tank strap, she's leaking. So you can see she's wet down there. That's not good, but I've got a plan for that. Now, as you can see, this side of the truck, the fuel tank, I don't have a battery box on this side. Fuel tank only takes up about half of the cab, so I got this empty space back in here that I wouldn't mind filling with something other than the sled. Being that I'm a parts hoarder by nature, I've been parting out trucks for a couple of years, probably since I was 20. I part trucks out once in a while. Just I'll buy a truck because it's got one component I want, part the rest out, keep whatever looks good, and had this laying around. She's a Freightliner 130 gallon fuel tank. It's 24-inch diameter. It's 2 inches smaller diameter than the tank that's on the truck. Never mind all the crap that's in the driveway. This is what happens when you got to work out of a one-car garage. So anyway, gonna clean this tank up. It's, from what I measured the other day, it's almost the full length of the cab. So I think that'll look really cool, taking up that whole side of the cab. And being that I've got to make mounts for it, I mean, I could get the Freightliner mounts for it, but I was wanting to build some mounts to actually mount the tanks lower, and then I could take the side skirts off the side of the cab. Yeah, this piece here, it's kind of a skirt along the bottom of the cab there, and I'm pretty sure somewhere along the line guys have added a piece of stainless, add some extra lights along there. I was thinking if I lowered the tanks a little bit and I could section this piece out and fiberglass it to make it a bigger piece, bigger drop, kind of like guys do on Peterbilts around the cab skirts and the sleeper skirts, and fill in that area between the bottom of the cab and the tank more, give the cab a little bit chunkier look. I don't know, people don't customize Volvos, so I guess I'll give it a shot. Who knows, might look cool, might be dumb. Let me know what you think. I mean, tell me if it's a good idea, tell me if it's a bad idea, tell me I'm dumb, tell me I'm ugly, I don't know. But anyway, for now, me and the bird, we'll see you later.